Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will show you how to fix profile installation failed after iOS update. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. The first thing that we have to do, open settings, then go to general and tap profile and device management. Here we have to remove all profiles. We have to remove profiles one by one. Tap on profile that you want to remove, and in next window tap on remove profile and tap again remove to confirm this action. Same we have to do with other profiles. After that, open Safari to download again and download App Valley. After that, tap on allow. And website will show you profile downloaded. Re- Review the profile in setting app. If you want to install it, we have to tap on close. Now open setting and tap on profile downloaded. After that, tap on install. Now tap again on install to confirm. In the end, we have to tap on done. Now profile installed without error. Hopefully this method is work for you. Thanks for watching. Please like and share as well. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.